We talk football SA, inform, entertain, educate, promote. Kinali uncle wali khosi. Abutwa Karimo Clear Cop. Abutwa Runa. Sibapati sa Runa. Sitsamaile Jaden Adams. What a sad moment for South African football, for the family.
Yeah, Grootman is very painful
Yeah.
to lose such a talented player like Jaden Adams.
Eish.
It's very painful because of besibheke okuningi kulo mfana.
Yeah.
I-future yakhe it was bright. Besibona ukuthi sasa 2030 masizoya ku-World Cup ngoba sizoya as sima South African.
Yes.
Besibheke ukuthi yibo abo-Jaden Adams bazoba bahamba phambili because of i-experience yabo le bayithole 2026 ku-World Cup.
Yes.
Besibheke okuningi, to be honest, kubuhlungu as a football lovers, kubuhlungu kakhulu lo mfana asesemncane sabheke okuningi kuye. So it's very painful ukuthi silahlekele i-player lokufana nabo Jaden Adams.
Yeah.
Abafana abancane la sisabheke okuningi kubo. So ngithi sima South African guys, sorry Masandawana and sorry the whole South African football lovers for ukulahlekela ku Jaden Adams.
Yeah, kube buhlungu kakhulu mfowethu nakusebuhlungu namanje. Mhlawumbe amazwi ongawabhekisa emndenini wakhe ungathini njengobhuti omdala kaJaden Adams. Ngoba phela labafana badlala ibhola kodwa bagcina bawumndeni wethu. Abanye abasazi, abanye bayasazi, bawumndeni wethu izwe lonke. Ungathini mfowethu nje emndenini wakhe?
Ya yona injalo, sima football lovers, si family, so for umndeni aka Jaden Adams, even though ungekho simple, fanele babe strong.
Yeah.
Fanele babe strong, and futhi we thank them ukuthi sibe nesoja lokufana no Jaden Adams.
Yes.
Especially la South Africa.
Yeah.
Isoja lokufana no Jaden Adams lo ukhombisa ukuthi isoja lo muntu uthe mazi ukuthi ugogo wakhe ulela ale America ku World Cup. But azange abheke emuva. Waqhubeka wadlala wathi ngoba ngisoja ngiphethe iflag ye South Africa eMzansi.
Yeah.
Fanele ngiyimele lento le.
Yes.
So as a family fanele babe strong even though noma kungekho simple.
Yeah.
Ayikho enye indlela. Fanele siyamukele noma kungekho simple.
Yeah.
It's very very painful. Yeah.
Mhlambe ke kulabe kade sebenza nabo ku Mamelodi Sundowns bonke nje iMamelodi Sundowns yonke management staff supporters players ungathini mntakababa?
Yeah, Masandawana ilufu elimnyama vele lewile.
Yeah.
So I know ukuthi usazoba difficult especially kuma player we Sundowns. Bebashare nabo into eziningi, bebashare na into eziningi.
Yeah.
Noma babhekile la bathanda ukuhlala khona. Lezi zinto bathanda ukuzenza manabo ukuthi bazazomkhumbula vele kuzoba buhlungu mabacabanga ngaye. So isikhathi sokuthi nathi sibe strong sibambane ngithi Masandawana iban strong ayikho enye indlela fanele siyamukela ukuthi lo mfana uyidlalela indima yakhe even though besabheke okuningi lapha kuye as a youngster. Yeah.
Not blaming anyone, but do we have enough support structures for men in the workplace, for mental health in the workplace and at home as well? Because that is where we spend most of our time, work and then home in the afternoon. Do we have enough support structures there?
No problem. Wabona rena as rele banna.
Yeah.
Sometimes gona le dutse le gore di are affecta in life.
Yes.
so re a tšhaba go bolela ka tsona,
yes,
re a tšhaba go bolela ka tsona, re di tshwara mo rena. Sometimes o na le uncle wa lekgosi, wa bona gore uncle wa lekgosi ga a na le lena o happy, but you don't know gore uncle wa lekgosi ke eng ntho e le gore e kara mo inside mo go yena gore ya ke eng ntho e mo jang. So do tša motho santse re o be le somebody at least mo gaufi, if o na le problem e ba le somebody mo gaufi le ena e le gore o tlo kgona mo trusta, wa kgona go bua le ena everything. Wa bona, because of it's not simple rena banna gore ne go tša re bolela ka di-problem tša rena 1 2 3 wa bona. Yeah, so it's the way it is, re tla reng even though go le painful.
No, my brother, ke leboga ka nako ya hao with Talk Football SA.
Okay.